Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryavanshi and my today's topic is a protein. Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to building the muscle mass, and it is found in animal products, plant products as well as such nuts and legumes. They are the larger and the complex molecule that plays a many critical roles in the body, and they do not most the work in the cells and required for the system functions regulation of the body and tissue and organs. Then proteins are made up of the smaller unit that's called amino acid, which are attached to one to another in a long chain, and there are 20 different types of amino acids, and that can be combined to the made protein. And amino acids are coded by the combination of the three DNA building blocks determined by the sequence of genes, and the classification of the that proteins are they based on in the following types. Classification based on the structure of protein in that three types: fibrous protein, glomerular, and intermediate protein. Then based on the composition there are two types: simple protein and conjugated proteins. Then based on the functions, there in that the structural protein, enzymes, hormones, respiratory pigments, and transport proteins, and the storage of the protein and toxins. Then functions of protein, they are vital for the growth, repair, and their functions are endless, and they also have an enormous diversity of the biological functions and the most important final product of the information pathway. They act as the structural component such as the keratin of the hair and nail, and the collagen of the bones. They are the molecular instrument through which the genetic information is expressed, and they are involved in the blood clotting through the thrombin and the other protein factors. Then sources of proteins, the both animals and plant food can be excellent source of the proteins, and the guidelines of the classify the food and the protein foods are seafood, eggs, legumes, which including beans and peas, and the nuts, seeds, dairy products, and the animal products. Then protein deficiency, in that the protein energy under nutrition, previously called the protein energy malnutrition, and it is an energy defeat due to the deficiency of all the micronutrients. It commonly include deficiencies of the many micronutrients, and it can be sudden and the total or the granular. Protein elements are the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, and monomer are acidic amino acid, and there are 20 different ones, and the polymer is the proteins in turns, and the example of proteins: HB in RBCs, and albumin in eggs, and the enzyme that control the reaction in the body, and antibiotics then found in the fish, eggs, and the meat. Thank you.